My husband loves to eat peaches, and he likes his peaches to be cut up in bite-sized pieces. So this is how I do it. First, I like to cut it up into 8 pieces. After I remove the pit, I like to also cut off this piece because sometimes part of the pit can be stuck in there and no one enjoy having a piece of rock while they're biting down on a peach. And once I've cut up these 8 pieces, then what I'll do is each piece that's left, I will cut into third, and they represent bite-sized pieces. And it's easier for him to pick out. And voila! This is how I cut up the peach into bite-sized pieces for my honey to snack on. Bon appetit to him!